Is there a way to protect a tattoo from fading when exposed to salt water?
Hello everyone! Today we are going to tackle a common question among tattoo enthusiasts. Is there a way to protect a tattoo from fading when exposed to salt water? The answer is yes, and in this video, we'll walk you through some helpful tips and techniques that you can use to keep your tattoo vibrant and safe from salt water.
Why does salt water affect tattoos?
Before we dive into the solutions, it's important to understand the problem. The pigment of a tattoo resides in the dermis, the second layer of skin, and when the skin is exposed to salt water, it can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can cause the skin to dry out and peel, which in turn can cause a tattoo to fade. Moreover, the sun, which often accompanies time spent in salt water, is another major factor in fading tattoos.
How to protect your tattoo before exposure?
Preparation is key when protecting your tattoo from salt water. Ideally, avoid swimming in salt water until your tattoo has fully healed. But if you must, here are some steps to follow. 1. Apply a waterproof, broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 50 or higher to your tattoo about 30 minutes before you go into the water. This will protect your tattoo from the harmful UV rays of the sun. 2. Use a petroleum-based product to create a barrier between your skin and the water. This will help keep your skin moisturized and prevent the salt water from directly contacting your tattoo.
What to do after exposure?
Aftercare is just as crucial as preparation. After coming out of the water, 1. Rinse your tattoo with fresh water as soon as possible to wash away the salt. 2. Pat dry gently with a clean towel. Do not rub the area. 3. Apply a tattoo-specific moisturizer to keep the area hydrated and promote healing. So there you have it. Protecting your tattoo from salt water is all about taking the right precautions before exposure and providing appropriate care afterwards. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll be able to enjoy your tattoo for many years to come, even with plenty of time spent in salt water. Stay safe and keep your tattoo vibrant.